Out of the Karen Read case today, the judge scolded Read's defense attorneys for claiming something that she says they know isn't true. It happened at a hearing to prepare for Read's second trial, which begins in less than 3 weeks. And it's her second hearing of the day, both of which we've been monitoring.
Our John Atwater is live at the courthouse in Dedham. John.
And Jessica, it has been a long day. That hearing, it continues in the courthouse behind us here. Karen Read's defense team asking the judge to dismiss this case before it goes to trial again. Now, the defense making the argument that a state police lieutenant tampered with the jury during that first trial. They say that lieutenant, who worked on the original investigation of John O'Keefe's death, was also involved in reporting an incident during that first trial that led to a juror being dismissed. But the judge said the lieutenant had no contact with the jurors and said that defense attorney Alan Jackson knows that.
So the fact, what you state is fact, that Lieutenant Fanning had control over and access to this jury is simply not true, Mr. Jackson.
My question to the court is there evidence that he had absolutely no access, either direct or indirect, with any of the jurors? I don't know that to be true. I mean, I take the court at its word, obviously.
Assignment of Mass State Police Lieutenant John Fanning.
The judge said that she was not satisfied with Jackson's answer there. Jackson went on to then make other arguments about why he says the case should be dismissed, including, he says, that investigators and prosecutors have withheld video of Read's SUV at the Canton Police Department. Prosecutors do deny that. Now, if the judge does not dismiss this case, jury selection, at least at this point, slated to start in less than a month. We're live in Dedham. John Atwater, WCVB News Center 5.